welcome to Tiffany's. I have a quick blind reaction video. I think this is my KynCare, and I've never had this before. This is my first order, and I'm super excited to see what's in it. Yeah, it is. Look, it is. It's so cute. It says, we truly appreciate your support of our small business. Enjoy 10% off your next purchase with code I'm back KynCare, and it has Instagram at KynCare and then KynCare.com. Thanks for shopping with us. You got great taste. Turn me over for, yep. So this is how it comes, and then this is how it's packaged up. It's cute. I guess that's for fall. So I was thinking that maybe they haven't gotten because it took a while to get here, but so I ordered the diced pineapples. Y'all know pineapples are my favorite fruit, and obviously my favorite fruit to eat and decorate with. So I wanted to try her diced pineapple. So just excuse the noise. My daughter and her friend are playing back there. So I got the diced pineapple foaming sugar scrub and the wet body butter. And so I am going to, ooh, I'm excited to smell this. Okay, so is it sealed? I think this is sealed. Okay, no, it's not sealed. Oh, wow. It smells like pineapple annihilators. Look at that. Look at that. I'll let you guys know how it works out when I take a shower. Maybe I'll take a shower tonight. Oh, it feels really thick and creamy with that little scrub in there. Nice. Smells just like pineapple. And let's see the whipped body butter. It smells delightful. Oh my gosh, I love sweet things. So let's see how smooth it feels, because my hands are really ashy right now. I just got done cooking and washing my hands 1,000 times. Oh, it feels buttery. It does feel buttery. I just wish she had a spray. Did you have a spray? I'm gonna have to go back on there and see. I wanted to just try 2 things though, just to see if I even like this stuff. And if I do, then I'm gonna go back and revisit it and or more, because I like the layer. So I'll definitely let you guys know how I like this. I just want to do a quick live first impression unboxing of this KynCare diced pineapple body whip butter and foaming sugar scrub. Foaming sugar scrub. So it foams. Oh, my shower is gonna be amazing. So yeah, you guys, it smells super delicious. All right, Kendall, I see you, girl. I'll holler back at you if I really love this stuff. So, anywho, might have to be a regular, okay? So she has strawberry and all types of fish, you guys. I'll leave her YouTube video and her link below. As a matter of fact, I don't know if you guys even heard her. She is El DeBarge's daughter. I didn't even know that. I think my husband went to see him at concert for Mother's Day one day. Oh, look at me. I'm talking about these people like I know them or something. But she's beautiful. They have a beautiful family. Her and her husband run this business together. And I found them on YouTube. And I was like, oh, okay. After hearing them talk about it over and over again, I was like, let me go ahead and finally try this stuff and see if I even like it. Because I like to smell like fruit, you know? Yummy and stuff. So we'll see what happens. And yeah, so I went ahead and ordered some, and she just opened her warehouse and all that good stuff. So first impression, so far so good. I'll let you guys know how it performs maybe in an upcoming vlog or something. All right, talk to you guys later.